Preparing for what we know is soon to arrive to our region will make getting through it easier and safer. So we went straight to a few car and driving experts for winter driving reminders.
Well, there's so many things to check with the severe weather we've got coming in the next couple of days. These leaves will get under your hood, they'll fall down behind the hood and clog up your vents, so your defroster won't work. We'll have cars come in, they won't figure out why their defroster blower isn't working, and it's because the vents are plugged up with leaves.
BMR Napa Auto Care Center owner Bill McAnally knowing what even his truck needs right now.
The weather's been hot. You hate to put on new windshield wipers in the hot conditions, but I pulled it in this morning knowing what we've got coming in the next couple days, because even my vehicle, I need some wipers.
Look at that, it is time. Dusting off the chains also important. When snow's on the highway, traction devices are required for Sierra travel. So too is knowing how and where to install them.
There is front-wheel drive and rear-wheel drive vehicles. You want to put the traction device on the wheels that are actually making the car go. Otherwise, it's not going to do any good.
A check of the lights, always a good action to take.
As you get into rainy months, it's really hard when the ground is wet to see the lines. So you want to have your headlights aimed properly so you help you see. We check both front and rear lights just to make sure they all function. When you're in the snow and it is whiteout conditions, you want to have proper tail lights too. That way you don't get rear-ended.
And leave it to our own traffic expert Brian Hickey to give us his 2 cents on how to make sure you're hitting the road with tires that are up to the task.
There's a simple way to check it, and that's with a penny. You don't need any fancy equipment, just a 1-cent copper penny. And here's how it works. You're going to bring it down to your tire. You're going to turn it upside down so that Mr. Lincoln is upside down, and you're going to stick it right inside the tread here. And inside the tread, if the tread is taller than the top of Lincoln's head, it's deep enough. But if you can see the top of Lincoln's head, your tread is too low, and you're going to likely not have enough traction when it comes wet or a snowy season.
Melanie Wingo, KCRA 3 News.
And a few other reminders from the experts: get your brakes, heater, and exhaust system checked. Check your antifreeze and windshield washer fluid levels now. Fill your gas tank or make sure you fully charge your electric vehicle battery. Also carry a bag in your car with extra food, water, blankets, just in case you get stuck in a highway closure.